Yes, my wonderful people. Welcome to J Progress Entertainment again, my people. My peeps, let me tell you this. You see wickedness? It can't done. Wickedness can't done. A brother reach out to me and the man say, J Progress, a thing reached me about 8 years ago, brother. And the man say, no. It's still bother him, and because of that, even now the woman who him there with, him feel like what happened to him 8 years ago affect him relationship. The man say J Progress at 16 years, him live in Canada. Him got Canada when him a 27-year-old. And right now him a 43, I got 44. Him man say J Progress, me there Canada and me alright. But when him just reach a Canada, cause him got Canada on a construction thing. Him get a permit and him go over there to go do some construction thing. And the man say him never come back. Him stay over there. And the man say a 16 year him there Canada. And right now him alright and him good. And him is a Canadian citizen. But the things them when him go through over Canada make him tell himself couple years ago say, watch on man. Him want back one a fiend country woman. Them one a Jamaica woman. Them can go through too much in Canada. For the little time when him did it. Cause him did a married woman we help him to sort out himself. And the man say a worst nightmare. The man say the hunger reason make him near reach back to Jamaica from them time there is because him couldn't buy him ticket to come home. So you know say it's serious. The man say J Progress. Him book a woman a yard. Him and the woman attack for almost 3 years. When him buck the woman, him see the woman in a deplorable condition. And he must say, but one thing him notice about the woman clean and the woman caring. And the woman can cook. Is a type of woman where you know say, yes man. A woman them yard, them a woman that can take care of your place, them a woman that know them a deal with. So the man saying get a real energy off of the woman. 3 years them a deal for you know. And the man say, J Progress. The condition I see that woman here, and because I know me things set at Canada. The man say him go there as a man will live in good life at Canada. And go sleep in all the woman place and the place stay away. But him only do it for sure the woman say, yo, me rate ya, me nah pray ya, me nah judge you. The man say for the 3 years when him there with that woman there. Him build up the woman house when him go there go see there. And would you believe that the man plan and say, alright, I'm going to marry the woman and bring the woman to Canada. 1 week before the wedding. You know, wait for the story and you are going. 1 week before the wedding. You know, will be surprised the news where this woman will break the man. People, let me break down the story for you right now. The man say him there Jamaica at the construction for a while. You understand? From him left out of school. Him left out of school and start follow back a tradesman and start doing thing. And learn the construction work. You understand me I say? Him farm, him get pan a link. We give them one little 6 months at Canada. Pan a little contracting. And the man say him jump on him get him permit him do him to do Ray. Canada. Him reach a Canada 27-year-old. Him man say when him go to Canada and him did it and him make him money for him construction. When the time run off, him decide say him nah go back home. And so he said, so he did. Him never go back home. Him man say him did it kind of the time when him did it, you don't know. Him did it fresh as Jamaican. Him say girl dunk pan him. And him there one place them call name Ontario. Me never call Canada place them right. Because I never call Canada name them right yet. Ontario, a man say him there. You understand me I say? And the man I say, yo, to where him there, him kind of like it because I say, boy, me no remember where he say place there, but it's like him I say, the capital. Like I say, the capital not the far or some sitting like that. Me no remember the name of the place there. But him say like the capital not the far to where him there, in Ontario. So him say, yo, girl, don't pan him. You understand? So him have him choice, but him dead and I say, you know what? Like how me have Ray and thing. Me I set myself by you know. Me nah go back home. And the man no go back home. Him and a girl start flex and them do them fi do. And Ray. Him thing a seal up. Him man say him go through something with that girl there, you see. Him man say him go through some sin thing with the Canadian girl, you see. Him man a say, youth, me reach a one point where I just the money me never have. I just the money him never have. If he come home, make him come home. Me man say everything where him work throughout the time when they were back with the woman there. Him a fear send yan. Enough time him left without a dime. When just know say, yo, chuma want me think for good, me a go and wall out. Cause him sissy and money this a woman I love. Him sissy this, him sissy that. You understand why him a wall out. Him man say him did they go and paka until him think connect. And him did the liquor with the woman until him lift up. Cause say him good and know and him lift up and start doing thing. Money start make back again. But due to what him go through, him a say him no settle down thing. And him a go on with himself and not do him thing. And him a say, you know what? Him there now, him make money, him no have no youth, him no nothing. And him a say, you know what? Him want a youth, but him want a woman also for a yard. He want one of them culture woman, he want one of them Jamaica woman them. Cause them know if he take care of home, take care of this, do that. You know say man go so boom. And say, alright, him good ya now. Him go yard, wall a jai, ray, do him thing. A be a fun down the girl, don't pan him, can you have the money I spend, and thing. Come back up. So him start make it pan him regular now, I say him a go yard pan a regular. You see me, I did, him start go yard pan a regular, you know. You see me? So him man say, happen that him go down there, and him book a woman. Him go out and him did book a woman, and him go out one night. And the man a say, the girl just have a vibe, but she kind of have a little quiet vibe about her. But it turned out that I did just chew them, just meet the girl and move so quiet. Him man say them go on and thing till him did it. Him did it when him go down there, say a 3 week him spending up with him go to Jamaica. Every time him go, him not spend less than 3 weeks. You see me? Him man say him did it about the second week him buck woman in. And friend him buck woman him and the woman a flex. But the thing is, in God the woman yard, and the man say, yo, the condition when you see the woman in is a deplorable condition, but he realize the woman does not have it. Can go there and see the place and realize that the woman does not have it. You see me? It's like the girl live a family, our family place the girl live, but she draw in a little place and she do it plywood and ray. It alright, but it's still away. Outside tile it and baiting and thing, and you have a little lemurian on the floor and baiting. And the man say, you know, but she keep it clean, the man I say. But when him say the diploma, I just play how the house look and the yard and baiting, but when you go in the girl house, you can't stay in. The man say him go sleep, him left him hotel and go sleep couple night, just for show the girl say, yo, watching a man. No shame in my game, man. If me rate you. Anyway you're there and put your head, me come put my head there to cause some ratings go. You see me I did? And the man did it and the man I say, yo, don't worry yourself, man. Ray. Cause I say, him in a construction. Him a make money. Him alright of Canada. Only thing him want to do, him just know say, yo, him want a good man. And him know him want youth. Man say, alright, boom, time run off. Him and the girl whistle tailpipe right through and the girl a fling up on him as much as him want it. And the next thing the girl cook game and the girl can't cook. And him realize see all of them there the girl yard and them look something there before him go the girl wash up the whole line clothes them. One of the week or sitting girl wash clothes, dry them, press them, and when him collect the clothes them from the girl, them fall up and everything, man, I say, yeah man, them girl I know them I do, man. And him see a girl moving say, yeah man, them girl I can't take care of a woman. A woman them yeah. You see me? And she still in her prime can be a youth. Alright? Man say him go back home and him and the girl a link. Him go back to Jamaica, ray. Him go back to Jamaica, ray. But in the meantime, the man say, alright, him start sort out the girl place. The man say when him go there, the girl have a little kitchen drawn. She have a 1 bedroom, them have a outside bathroom, and them little thing there. She have a little board veranda kind of setting like, you know what I mean? She have a little veranda setting. And the man say, friend him go on the time and friend him and the girl get in close. Him say, no man. The man say him start fix up the girl house. But when him fix up the girl house, the part where the girl belong pan the family out go look away. So the man just say, yo, him have the money. It don't make no sense him fix and this a party look away. So him man say he start set up a whole place. You see me? Him just start set up a whole place, build up a girl thing, and some little thing where he refurbish from the other house and thing, him do it and them little thing there. Man say he spend up a portion of money, but him never feel no way, because him like the woman. Him like the woman, him see, and the woman and him dip on a level. Boom. A man did it. Him and the girl a link, a go on. Him fix up a place, until they start pick plans. No man, him and the girl say them want married, and them say, yo, I Canada, you have to come live, man. Ray. You see me? And they see you for the and thing. And the girl, them agree, and the girl say, alright, Ray. Him say no, when him go back up, him a go marry the girl. A man go up now and dip on one piece of planning. Start pack up barrel and sitting kind want send down certain thing. Feel like when them have the reception, cause them want keep, and the man say, yo, me a send down everything. Pack up how much barrel and sitting and start plan. Buy all ring and all kind of sitting. In plan now. And the man say in plan, kind of say, alright. A June time, a married time, the man say, so he might come down in a June and married and way. You understand? Anybody know about marriage, people? Wedding season run in a like me down to about August. So a lot of people get married within them time. But a lot of people married in a June, July. Right now the heights of the summer. I don't know why, but I just saw it go. You see me I deal with? And the man say, alright, he might go back down in the summertime. Him did down there the last summer. He run out the time, so he might go down back summertime. But he must set everything. Man buy a dress for girl, you know, and baiting. Or him start rush now, because he must say, what him want do is finish off the house. That means say, him can stay there when him go down, and him not have to worry about no hotel, because married thing, and now when him go down, him want to spend the whole time. And him and the girl locked down, because the place fix up nice and baiting. And the man rush for skimmy off and done and everything. You know, say if the man up there and plan. A girl have one cousin there where every time when him go to Jamaica, him always care things for that girl cousin here. And baiting. But sometimes too the girl cousin a move, he look like the girl cousin that give him little like the wall me and squeeze me too. Cause a man say from him start, him notice whole heap of things change. From him start build up a place for the girl, the cousin start push on himself on him. You see me? You don't know them things they go already people. Man come from foreign and spend money. Sister we push on themselves and that the man they all if that the man the other sister. Cousin we do it. Any friend and a woman one in the family we do it. You see me the car money I spend. And the man I say a principle in my whole time rate the woman. Him not say nothing to her. Him not but the cousin a push on. Him the Canada the cousin ring him all the while and beg him money and him send it. But him not tell the woman nothing because you don't know. Sometimes you don't want to create no problem. Him a say that's no problem. A cousin them, if a girl link him and beg him money, him do it, him not have to say nothing. Him just wall out. A man did it. More time when the cousin call him, I beg his cousin I beg and thing. But a man a say man notice say like the cousin a move like she want tell him something, but the cousin no want tell him. But him not to ask nothing. You see me? You can't know if somebody like somebody want like you know say, yo, you just start him and then say then I start talk about the wedding and like cousin I say, you stand there, you alright, yeah, you can't stand there. And the man I say some little thing what the cousin I say is like it's a one and the cousin want give him, but the cousin no want be the one fi say if he go turn around and say a she say this and a she mash up this and a she mash up that people. A man say him a plan to the T. Him man say him cross all the T and that all the I them send down much barrel buy wedding dress for the woman, organize up for him suit and baiting and tell family member and all kind of sitting the man say him well plan out. Can I say alright, I woman this him a go down married her. Return back to Canada and sort out when he sort out because then a woman have to around him and him want him youth but him also want a good woman in him place because he go through whole heap of thing in Canada. People. After everything done, house fix up, everything ready, The man send down barrel with food, with clothes and some little fixture sitting for putting at the house, light and them little thing they pan do all kind of sitting the man send down in a barrel. Man say about 6 barrel him send down. Because man say he want to have everything when him go down there, because him don't know what mission him depend, and you don't know when him take money, this, that. People, the man say all where the cousin are going with him know the cousin have sitting to tell him, but the cousin just no want be the one to say. You don't know say 2 weeks. 2 weeks before the man go down, him notice that the woman start move one type of way. Remember, down him man a go married now, you know. Him notice that the woman start move a type of way. But him not pray nothing, because he can't come with nerves, he can't come with baiting. But some little miscall, little thing argument on the phone, and little vibes, and she hang up and no call him back for all the night, and him ring her, she no answer. He must say, I beg, she begs, and way. He must say, he can't too bad, because I go down next week, and I just 2 weeks left. People, you see 1 week before the man reached down, 1 week before the man reached down, him been having issues calling the woman. Sometimes she answer, sometimes she not answer. This, that, some little vibes. So him all kind want to know where him stand. You don't know, say 1 week before the man reach Jamaica, the woman say you have something to tell the man. People, the house done. The man fix up this woman house car where she there and ain't nothing. And fix up the place and set up the yard and baiting. Cause he must say, yo, he must go all married to and people go and this he must stay. 1 week before the man go down. After everything, barrel gone down, wedding dress by, suit by, ring by, everything arranged, everything. Also, him think he arrange. Because him left the girl to sort out the thing them down there. With pastor, with this, with that, and make the organizing. Girl no do nothing, because the girl know what she a deal with. 1 week before the man reach Jamaica, I am the woman a chat and him a try establish. Wow, go on, oh yeah, move, so where you do, you're nervous, this, that, ray, blah, blah, blah. The woman say, me have something to tell you. The woman say, me have something to tell you. Me don't know how to tell you. The woman tell the man saying he can't married. Man say, what you mean? You never know, say you can't married. Like, what you mean, say you can't married? After everything do already, because in the man mind, everything organized with church and pastor and everything and all them thing there. So he must say the whole wedding organized. Him send how much barrel, him buy dress, him buy suit, him buy ring, everything already. Man, I say, what you mean? You not trying to know that. What you mean? The woman says she can't married again. The woman says she can't marry 2 times. People, the woman married and have her husband in America. And now she not divorced. The man a try file for her from when? And all now. This a little man a did it from when and him not have a clue what go on. But all what go on and this, the cousin did want tell him from him decide say him want go down go married. Because to him treat the cousin, that's why the cousin a try rally and pan him and say, yeah, fix up house, yeah, do this, yeah, do that. And me, you fit there with. I saw the cousin a move pan the man, but the man not catch the player. And all the cousin want tell him what go on, but the cousin don't really want. For here say she mash up her own cousin thing and be a thing because of foreign man. The woman say she can't marry 2 times, she can't marry again. He tell the man say he married. His husband in America and his husband a file for him. 1 week before the man reach Jamaica, people. Imagine how you feel. You probably never pre-saying just tell saying can't marry. You just a pre everything what you do. Where you see this a girl on your man a foreign long time in a condition, yeah. That you have to come fix him up and put him in a certain thing, and this a girl wait till the man done. fix up the house, send down much barrel and baiting, and tell the man say, she can't marry because she married already. The man say when he made that, he get giddy. A man say he get giddy because he can't believe. A man say after everything when he go through a Canada and make up his mind, say, yo, you want a yard girl and thing. And the man this a girl and deal for a minute. And he must say, yo, what the girl, this a girl I want bring her Canada. And this a girl for have him youth and sitting. A man say him head get giddy. A man hang up a phone. And when the man hang up a phone, the first number the man say him punch in a call the cousin. And say, you couldn't tell me, look how me deal with it, you couldn't tell me, say your cousin married and have man America, a file for her. The cousin says, so many times me try if you give the sign them say something alright. Me did want to tell you. But me couldn't tell you because I live at the same yard and people are going to say me mash her up and this and that. He says so many times me want to tell you and me couldn't tell you because me say you don't deserve it. But me just couldn't tell you because me know say my name I go call you and me mash you up. People, the man say roughly 8 years now that happened. And he move on in a relationship. He get 2 youth right now. And the man say, as far, me say me hope say, the woman don't know say I hate it. But the man say, him not just for him baby mother up to today day neither. And him baby mother don't do nothing. When I baby mother move like one of the real. But the man say, what happened to him with that the woman there? The man say, up to today day. He man show me the 100 wagwan. The man say, while me a give that story, brother, up to today day. He free that woman. But him just know say him happy there with the woman and sitting. And him have a baby mother with 2 youth in Canada. And the man say, yo, him feel like him torment him baby mother because him don't trust him baby mother and him baby mother not do him nothing. And just because I was going at Jamaica. 1 week before the man go down. If you go get married to this woman I tell him man say, yo, him have something to tell him. She can't marry 2 times because she married already. And her husband, the America, a file for her. Wickedness. That's why me tell people, no matter how you take it, you see wickedness, it can't done. Because if a some man, the money where they will not take figure Jamaica go spend for a wedding, then take his and go give a contract, knock his and clap his, to get rid of her. So sometimes when you see something happen, trust me, it's not easy. A man say the woman wait till him build up house, fix up all the family house, refurb and everything, set up a place and do everything and watch him do all of the plans them. And 1 week before the man reach a Jamaica, he go marry this woman. The woman make the man know say she married already. People, man wicked, but woman wicked too. That's why wickedness, sometime, me no know it a go done. Believe when me tell you that. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Remember good no man? You not fi ask nobody nothing. And nobody not fi tell you nothing. I just 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe when me tell you that.